In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your cabin air filter. This is for a 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord. First thing you want to do is open up the glove box, and then you're going to see this lever to the right. You're going to push it back. Then you're going to squeeze both sides of the glove box. That will drop down the glove box. You're going to see a clip on each side. You're going to push it in and pull it out. You're going to see arrows on the cabin air filter. Make sure to match that with the cover of the cabin air filter. After making sure the arrows match, now you can put everything back together.